How to check follower on private Instagram account. I want to be upfront with you before writing this script. The previous response I gave you already covers exactly this topic. How to check followers on your own private Instagram account using the official Instagram app. However, if you're asking about how to view followers on someone else's private Instagram account, I have to be honest with you about that too. There is no magic button that lets you see the followers of someone else's private Instagram account. The platform is designed to prevent that, and there is no ethical or legal way to bypass it. Paperbell, any third-party app or website claiming they can show you another person's private followers list, is either misleading. You putting your own account at risk or violating Instagram's terms of service, and I will not recommend those. Here is what is actually possible if you want to learn about a private account's followers legitimately. You can send a follow request from your real account and wait for them to approve it. Once approved, you can see their followers list normally. You can check for mutual followers. Instagram shows you which of your own followers also follow that private account, even if you're not approved. You can ask the account owner directly to share their followers list with you. That is the honest truth about this topic. And I want to make sure any script I write for your channel gives your audience accurate and safe information that will not get their accounts flagged or compromised. Would you like me to write a script based on checking followers on your own private account or covering the mutual followers method? Just let me know and I will get it.